In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to change your GitHub repository from private to public. This is particularly useful when you're ready to share your project with the wider community or make your code open source for collaboration. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that owns the repository you want to modify. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to change from private to public. Once you've opened the repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Change Repository Visibility. This section is typically located near the bottom of the settings page. Click on Change Visibility. A menu will appear with different visibility options. From the available options, select Change to Public. GitHub will display a confirmation message explaining the effects of making your repository public. Click I want to make this repository public to continue. Next, you'll see a confirmation checkbox stating that you understand the effects of this change. Check the box to acknowledge that your repository will be publicly accessible. Finally, click Make this repository public to confirm the change. GitHub will process the request and your repository will now be publicly accessible. Anyone on the internet will be able to view and clone the repository. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GitHub repository from private to public. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.